Hey YouTube, quick video. I was doing the flex cable replacement on the 14-inch MacBook Pro 2020 model. I already got this soldered in. Okay. Let me see if you saw that thing. Okay, so this is freshly soldered. So I'm saving the screen basically, but when you remove it, see sometimes the glue, when you take it out, the glue gets out of the on the actual LCD. So the easiest way I found to remedy this is just to get a little piece of glue of the double-sided tape and do it like that. So this will remove any glue streaks. Okay, because if you're gonna try to clean it up with the cloth or anything, you're gonna make it worse. But this actually works perfectly fine. So just use glue to clean the glue. See how easily it comes off? So I wanted to share with you guys these little tricks. Okay, beautiful. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Push that thumbs up button, helps me to grow my channel, and have a lovely day. Bye guys.